Hello, welcome to English Made Simple. I am Luna. This is Lesson 7. I am so happy you are here today. Every day you learn a little more English. And today, we are going to learn something very useful. Today, we learn numbers, big numbers. Numbers from 21 to 100. These numbers are everywhere. You use them every day. Your age, your phone number, prices in a shop. The time, everything uses numbers, so let us begin. Are you ready? Let us go. First, let us review. In Lesson 6, we learned numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good, you remember. Now we go higher. Now we learn 21 to 100. Let us start with 21. 21. Say it with me. 21. One more time. 21. Good, 21 means 20 plus 1. 201. For example, I have 21 apples. 21 apples, say it with me. 21 apples, very good. Now 22, 22, say it with me, 22. Again, 22. 20 means 20. 22 means 202. For example, she is 22 years old. 22 years old, say it with me. 22 years old. Excellent, 23. 23, say it with me, 23. Again, 23. For example, there are 23 students in the class. 23 students, say it with me, 23 students. Perfect. 24, 24, say it with me, 24. One more time. 24, for example, he has 24 hours in a day. 24 hours, say it with me, 24 hours. Great job, 25, 25, say it with me, 25. Again, 25. For example, the book costs $25. $25, say it with me, $25. Wonderful, now let us review. Ready, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Say them with me. 21, 22, 23, 24. 25. Very good. You are doing great. Now let us continue. 26. 26. Say it with me. 26. Again. 26. For example, my street number is 26. 26. Say it with me, 26. Wonderful, 27. 27. Say it with me. 27. One more time. 27. For example, there are 27 days this month. 27 days. Say it with me. 27 days. Perfect. 28. 28. Say it with me. 28. Again. 28. For example, I walked 28 steps. 28 steps. Say it with me, 28 steps. Excellent, 29, 29. Say it with me, 29. One more time. 29. For example, she has 29 messages. 29 messages. Say it with me. 29 messages. Very good. 30, 30, say it with me, 30, again, 30. 30 is 30, 3 and 0. For example, I am 30 years old. 30 years old, say it with me, 30 years old, fantastic. Now let us review from 25 to 30. Say them with me, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. You are learning so fast. Now we continue. After 30, we have 31, 32, and so on. The pattern is the same. 30 plus 1 equals 31. 30 plus 2 equals 32. You understand the pattern. Let us practice. 31, 31. Say it with me. 31 again. 31, for example. The bag costs $31. $31. Say it with me. $31. Great. 35. 35. Say it with me. 35. One more time. 35. For example, he has 35 emails. 35 emails. Say it with me. 35 emails. Very good. 40. 40. Say it with me. 40 again. 40. 40 is 40. Important. We say 40, not FOURTY. 40. No U after the R. 40. Say it with me. 40. One more time. 40, for example, the train leaves in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Say it with me. 40 minutes. Perfect. 50. 50. Say it with me. 50. Again. 50. 50 is 50. For example, there are 50 states in America. 50 states. Say it with me. 50 states. Excellent. 60. 60. Say it with me. 60. One more time. 60. 60 is 60. For example, 1 minute has 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Say it with me. 60 seconds. Wonderful. 70. 70. Say it with me. 70. Again. 70. 70 is 70. For example, my grandmother is 70 years old. 70 years old. Say it with me. 70 years old. Beautiful. 80. 80. Say it with me. 80. One more time. 80. 80 is 80. For example, the old man walked 80 steps every morning. 80 steps. Say it with me. 80 steps. Amazing. 90. 90. Say it with me. 90. Again. 90. 90 is 90. For example, she scored 90 points on the test. 90 points. Say it with me. 90 points. Excellent. And now the big one. 100. 100. Say it with me. 100. Again. 100. 100 is 100. It is a big, round number. For example, I have 100 followers. 100 followers. Say it with me. 100 followers. Yes, you did it. Now let us review all the big numbers together. Say them with me. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Say them again with me. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You are incredible. Now let us do a quick practice. I say a number. You say it after me. Ready? 21. 21, good. 33. 33, perfect. 45. 45, yes. 57. 57, excellent. 68. 68, wonderful. 79. 79, amazing. 82. 82, great. 96. 96, fantastic. 100. 100. Yes, you did it. You practiced so well today. I am very proud of you. Let us now review everything we learned today. Today in Lesson 7, you learned numbers 21 to 100. You learned 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You learned 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. These numbers are very important. Use them every day. Count things around you. Count your steps. Count your books. Count your friends. In Lesson 8, we will learn how to tell the time in English. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. It is 2:30. Very useful. You will love it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep practicing. Repeat these numbers every day. Subscribe to English Made Simple for a new English lesson every day. Click the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.